Welcome to Caracomp Insider, where high-tech facial recognition meets real-world intelligence. When you sign up for a national digital ID, the computer that checks whether your face is already in the system never actually learns your name. It doesn't know who you are. It only sees a string of numbers, a mathematical version of your face, and asks one question: have I seen this pattern before? That separation isn't an accident. It's the whole design. If you live in one of the 29 countries now building identity systems on a platform called mathemat, this already touches your life. More than 185 million digital IDs have been issued so far. And when people hear national database, they picture one giant vault holding everything about them: their face, their name, their address, all in one place. That picture is wrong, and the truth is actually more reassuring. So how does your identity get split apart on purpose? Let's walk through what really happens between the moment you enroll and the moment you're verified. According to mathemat's own technical documentation, your digital ID isn't built in one system. It's built across 4 separate stages, each doing one job. The first stage is enrollment, the front desk. Someone captures your photo and fingerprints and checks the quality. Bad lighting or a blurry scan gets caught right here. The second stage is the surprising one, deduplication. Before you get an ID, the system has to make sure you don't already have one under a different name. That job goes to a specialized engine called ABIS, basically a face-matching machine, and this machine is built to compare your face against millions of records, sometimes up to 1 billion in near real time. But here's the part that protects you. That matching machine never receives your name, your birthday, or your address. It only gets the math, the template. mathemat keeps a separate private map linking the match back to your real application. So the engine deciding whether your face already exists has no idea whose face it's looking at. If that sounds strange, picture a medical clinic instead of a filing cabinet. The front desk takes your information. The lab runs the tests. The doctor decides what to certify. The pharmacy checks your prescription when you arrive. 4 departments, 4 sets of tools, 4 different points where something could go wrong. The lab never needs to know everything the front desk knows. That's why a face-matching engine being 99% accurate doesn't mean much on its own. If the front desk captured a poor image or the credential office can't validate the result, the whole chain breaks. Each layer can fail by itself. And because these are separate pieces, a government can swap one out. Over 125 commercial partners now build certified components for this ecosystem. A country can replace its matching engine without re-enrolling a single citizen. For a government, that means freedom from being trapped with one vendor for 20 years. For you, it means the system holding your face can be upgraded without you ever standing in line again. So the thing that sounds the scariest, a database with your face in it, is actually safer because it was deliberately taken apart. No single piece knows the whole story about you. Here's the whole idea in 3 sentences. A national digital ID isn't one database, it's 4 separate stations, each doing one job. The station that recognizes your face never learns your name, and because the parts are separate, a broken or outdated piece can be replaced without touching the rest. Whether you carry a government ID or just an app on your phone, knowing this means you can ask the right question. Not "is my data in there?" but which piece is touching it, and what does that piece actually see? The full story's in the description if you want the deep dive. Now you know something most people in this industry don't. Use it. And when you're ready to put it to work, caracomp.com. We'll see you tomorrow.